Okay. It is crypto faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. Market's going up today, guys. Green day. Yesterday we were talking about red days, embracing the pullbacks, which you have to do. There are no bull runs without pullbacks. There are no bull markets without green days and red days. It's not gonna happen. But today we see Bitcoin climbing. Yesterday went up like 30, like broke past 30 something, 38K. Um, we were expecting a pullback. It was looking like it might have pulled back to its resistance at like 32 to 33, which is perfectly healthy. We talked about this yesterday. If you know anything about technical analysis, going back and retesting prior resistance and turning it into support. All right, flipping resistance into support. It's perfectly normal, healthy in any bull run. But we're actually not seeing that. So actually, what we're seeing is up only, which I talked about yesterday as well. In the time before the halving, I'm talking about like a few months before the halving, right? If you look at previous bull markets, it's up only. It's just up only. You know what I mean? Yeah, we did have that C19 black swan that shot the price down in the last bull market, but that was a black swan. That's an anomaly. All right. We don't make rules based off of anomalies. All right. So it's pretty much pre-halving. Few months like into the pre-halving is like, or the few months up to the pre-halving. Um, it's up only. All right. It's up only. So we really have a bias. Like right now, I have a bias towards the upside, of course. We see the price action. We're holding significantly above resistance levels, which tells me what? Tells me up only, bias towards the upside. And of course, we're only a few months out from the halving, so I have no reason to be bearish at all, right? There's no reason to be bearish a few months right before the halving, right? By the way, having in April 2024. We're about 4 or 5 months away. Okay. But anyway, today I want to speak about what are the coins that are gonna go up crazy in this cycle, and what are the characteristics that I need that I follow. Okay, what are my rules? What are my principles? Okay, you guys know on this channel I always speak about getting into coins that are low market cap. You're right. Personally, I want low market cap coins. Okay, when I say low, anywhere between 20 million to let's say $300 million market cap. That's good for me. Okay, um, why? Because I want price appreciation. I want a coin that actually has room to grow. Right. Um, what else? I always speak about getting in a new coin for the cycle. I want the majority of my coins for the cycle to be new coins. I don't really want old coins, right? Because if it's old coins, they have bag holders that have lost money throughout the last cycle, and as soon as the price goes up, they're going to be selling. I don't really want that. Okay, I don't want people bringing down or holding down the price. So I get into mostly new cycle coins. What else? If you follow the channel, then you know I like coins that are in a hot narrative, either in a hot narrative or a popular narrative. Okay, the hot narrative for this cycle, I believe, is the gaming narrative. All right. Um, Popular narratives are also layer one narratives. Okay, every cycle, layer ones do great. We know that. Okay, so I've got layer ones, I've got gaming coins. Okay, and another thing that I want to speak about today, which I don't actually speak about enough on this channel, is getting a coin that has hype behind it, right? Because a bull run is really a hype cycle. That's what it is. Like the coin going up a lot is usually because of the hype around that coin. Okay. Um, and the only way to really have a lot of hype, or one of the main ways to really have a lot of hype behind a coin, is to have crypto influencers pushing that coin, the big ones, big crypto influencers. Okay. Um, this is not the stock market. The crypto market is not the stock market. All right. The stock market has been around for 100 years. There's everybody in the world is in it. Like one crypto or one stock video. If I make a video about a stock, it's not going to shoot the price of that stock up at all. Okay. Not even a little bit. Okay. Crypto is different. Crypto is way different from that. Okay. Crypto, like, there are billions of people in this world. Only 0.0000 something or percent of people are actually in crypto. Okay, and most of them are not even in it right now. Remember, we're pre. If you're watching my video right now, you're pre-halving. We are 4 or 5 months out pre-halving. Most of the people who are gonna get into crypto are not even in yet. Okay, the masses that will actually come to crypto, which is still 0.0% of the world, right? Uh, those people will, most of them will come at the end of the bull market. Just be honest, be real. You know what I'm saying? Us buying right now, the people who are buying crypto right now are the ones that are gonna make the money, and the ones who come late are the ones that are not gonna make the money. I hate to say it, it's just the way it is. Right? It's just the way it is. All right. Us right now, if you're buying right now, you're gonna be selling on the heads of the people who come in later on. That's just a fact. It's a fact. I hate to say it. There have to be winners and losers in this market, and that's just the way it is. Okay. Um, so what's my point? My point is that if you are in like, all right, so my point is basically people who are speaking about a coin and bringing hype to a coin in crypto, actually, or I shouldn't say people, I should say influencers who are big, the big time influencers. If they're hyping up a coin, it influences that coin. It pushes up the price of that coin. Okay, the coins that have the most highest appreciation in the last bull market or previous bull markets have been the ones that were spoken about throughout the bull market. Okay, now I can go on, Coin Market Cap or Coin Gecko and do my research and go out looking for the best coin and like some obscure small coin, and I've done it before and I've done it several times. Okay, but it is hit and miss. It is really hit and miss. Like you might find, like you might hit it big. Be real, you might hit it big. All right, I hit it big with GSWIFT in a way, um, because I did my research on GSWIFT. I knew the gaming narrative was going to be great or big this bull cycle. I did my research, found GSWIFT, but I didn't buy it. I actually put it into my watch list. Right, if you got any of these apps, you can just put it on a watch list, right? So I just want to check the price, see how it goes, what I'm saying, before I pull the trigger, So I had it on my watch list and I forgot about it. And then I heard one of the another big influencer actually mentioned G Swift. He just mentioned it and moved on, and I was like, hold on, I have that coin on my watch list. Went back, did some more research on the coin, and I pulled the trigger. You know what I'm saying? After I did my research, I pulled the trigger. You know what I'm saying? So then it went on to do what it did. Like I got that coin at 7 cents. It is now it went up to 42 cents. Okay, it's now sitting at 38 cents. But we're at 600%, guys, with G Swift. All right, that's a winner. Okay, but I know that big influencers are gonna be speaking about it now because I heard an influencer speak about it, and I also heard Coin Gecko, which is what I want to speak about today. Not Coin Gecko, sorry, Coin Bureau. Coin Gecko. Oh my God, Coin Bureau, the biggest YouTube channel out there, the biggest crypto YouTube channel out there, I should say. He's got like 2.3 million subscribers on YouTube. I don't think there's a bigger YouTube channel than that. That's the biggest YouTube channel. Okay, he's got so he mentioned G Swift, Game Swift, and he was actually on a video with Altcoin Daily, who is a huge YouTube content creator as well, crypto content creator as well. So he's got a huge channel as well, probably one of the biggest. So on Altcoin Daily. So we got two of the biggest crypto influencers in the space. You know how many coins they pump every bull run? Ridiculous. Like go look at the last bull run. Go look at the coins that they focused on, and you'll see how much they actually pumped coins. Sorry, let me just move out the way. Oh, sorry. Let me just get out of the way. The guy was making too much noise. Anyway, yeah. So if you look at CoinGecko, why I keep saying CoinGecko? If you look at Coin Bureau, Altcoin Daily, these are the biggest crypto YouTube channels out there, literally. Okay, and these guys are talking about GameSwift. All right, I luckily had GameSwift before any of them even mentioned it, right? But the fact that they're speaking about it and they're probably gonna continue to speak about it for the rest of the bull market tells me, oh, this coin's probably got legs on it. G Swift has probably got legs on it. Like it's not the same as I originally thought. When I bought it, no one was really speaking about it, so I put 100x on it, but we've already went up 6x, and it's only been um the first part of the bull market, you can say. I think we've only like 10% into the bull market, if you want to put a percentage on it. I mean, or maybe even less. We're like 5 months before the halving. So I mean, where are we at right now, really, to be honest? um I do think that it is extremely important to have influencers, big time influencers, big channels, talk about and hype up a coin. In crypto, it's immensely popular. Okay, it's immensely important, I should say. Okay, it's not the same as the stock market at all. All right. So look at coins like Beam and Shrapnel. These are coins being pushed by some of the biggest names in the gaming space, in the crypto gaming space. Alex Becker, Elio Trades. Like, bruh, these guys push coins up. Like, you need to have some kind of like a bull run is a hype cycle. It's not like a cycle where things just go up because everything goes up. Yeah, everything goes up, but not everything goes up 100x, 200x, 1000x. Everything doesn't go up those crazy numbers. Like go look at the charts. Every coin does not go up 100x or 1000x. Only a few of those. All right, and the ones that are blowing early, like GSWIFT, the ones that are being spoken about by the biggest and the most popular social media content creators, whatever you want to call them, influencers, whatever you want to call them. Okay, those are the ones that are going to continue to make crazy gains throughout the bull market. Guys, we're early. Like I said, we're pre-halving. Okay, it's very easy to make money in crypto. You buy during the bear, you sell during the bull. That's how you make money in crypto. I try to make it very, very, very simplistic for you guys, because we can look at charts all day long. You have other channels you probably watch for that. This is a crypto vlog. I don't really get into that, but I'm known for simplistic crypto advice. And my advice, or I shouldn't say advice, knowledge. Okay, what I'm doing and what I've been doing in previous bull markets is I buy during the bear and during the bear, and I sell during the bull. It's pretty simple. Okay, why? Because prices are low pre-halving. They're always low. There is no exception. Prices are always low pre-halving, and prices are always high post-halving. It's simple as that. It's simple as that. Like when I say post-halving, I don't mean a month or two after the halving. I mean 6 months after the halving to a year after the halving, right? That's the real bull cycle, right? The bull run where all the euphoria, you sell into euphoria, guys. Like you don't get hype. Like don't be like a pleb. Like a pleb is the masses of people that come into crypto at the end. They come in way after the halving. They come into euphoria. They come into FOMO. They come into the hype cycle, and they buy. I have to buy. No, you sell the euphoria. You sell the FOMO. You sell the news. Okay, you buy during the bear and you sell during the bull. That's it. That's how you make money. And you don't have to think. You literally don't have to think. I can literally close my eyes, buy any coin right now. Literally, I don't have to do any research on the coin. I just have to close my eyes, buy any, like, try your best to get something in a hot narrative, right? Close your eyes, sit back, sell 6 months to a year after the halving, and I can almost guarantee, which I won't do that for legal reasons. I won't guarantee, but like hypothetically, you will probably make a lot of money. It's that simple, right? But people love to complicate it. They love to think about the charts and look at the RSI and look at this metric and look at that metric. And you really don't have to do that, guys, if you get in at the right time. And if you're listening to my channel right now, then you're in 5 months before the halving. So these are the lowest prices that you're going to see for all of these coins, okay? In my opinion, okay? Like, come to me a year later from now, okay? A year from now, okay, which is probably, yeah, about 6 months after the halving, okay? Come to me a year and a half from now, and look at the price of Shrapnel. Look at the price of Beam. Look at the price of Zen. Look at the price of any coin that I've been speaking about on this channel, okay? The price of GSWIFT, Pulsechain, Flare, like any of the channel, any of the coins, even the meme coins, Osaka, okay? Bro, you name it. You name it. Like, it's simple to make money in crypto. You buy pre-halving, you sell 6 months to a year post-halving. Simple, okay? So, very important to buy a coin that actually has hype, okay? I don't want to be in a bunch of coins that no one is speaking about, okay? If you go on Twitter or x.com, whatever it's called now, okay? You go to the search bar, type in your coin. If there are no tweets about your coin, that's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Like, you want people to actually be tweeting about your coin, talking about it. Are there any YouTube videos about your coin? That's not a good sign, okay? It might mean that you're early. and that's great as well. But that only like if you hit like that one, sleeper that nobody knows about, and then it gets picked up like I did with GSWIFT, right? That was a sleeper, turned out to be a winner. Okay, but most of the time, in my experience, you're gonna get a dud. You're gonna get a dud, man. You're gonna get a coin that nobody cares about and nobody will care about. You know what I mean? So, um, get a coin, low market cap. I won't say get a coin, but my strategy: I get a coin, it's low market cap. Most of my coins are gonna be new to the cycle, meaning a new coin for this cycle. Most of them are gonna have some hype around it because it's in a hot narrative. Um, most of the time, it's gonna be a coin that is spoken about by people. Like I'm in Zen. Zen is the biggest community in crypto. Like any of the new coins, out of all the new coins, out of every new coin for this cycle, Zen is by far the biggest community in crypto, right? They've got influencers talking about it for days. They've got videos on YouTube. They got tweets. Go check on X.com. You see tweets for days about Zen. I mean, they've got a community. That's advertisement. People are going to join that community. People join big communities, right? That's what people do. They join big communities. You know, they see those guys over there winning. They have a big community for a reason, and they join. Okay, but I'm talking about new community. I'm not talking about like don't go to Twitter and then see a bunch of tweets about a coin that's in the top 10. Of course, it's in the top 10. It's a big coin. It's gonna have a lot of tweets. Okay, of course. I'm talking about new cycle coins. Okay, very important. And then of course hype. Okay, hype. I want to see people, influencers, whether it be social media, YouTube influencers, whatever. I want to see people talking about that coin because they're going to be pushing the price up. Okay. But of course, it has to follow my conditions. Okay. I'm not saying just copy any coin. Like, for example, yeah, I like Elio Trades, I like Alex Becker, but I'm not going to follow every pick that they say because it doesn't follow my conditions and my principles. For example, they like to push super, and but I'm not gonna push super because super is a old cycle coin. It came out during the last cycle, has a lot of bag holders. Okay, super. A lot of people lost money with super, just like any other altcoin. Not because it's a bad altcoin, because every altcoin loses about 90% or more during the bear market. Guys, don't get caught holding coins past this bull market. Guys, I beg you, everybody on this channel, I beg you, sell your cryptocurrency during the bull run, okay? During the euphoria, during the FOMO, please sell. Don't hold, okay? Of course, hold your mainstays, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, the ones that we pretty much see as coins that we feel comfortable saying they'll be around forever, right? But anything else, you probably want to sell those because yeah, they'll go down 90% or more during the next bear market, right? So super is one of those coins that went down a lot. A lot of bag holders. I'm not going to be buying that. It's going to have a lot of price suppression. Okay, you're not going to have a lot of easy price appreciation because there are bag holders. As soon as the price goes up a little bit, people are going to be selling. You know what I'm saying? People want to get out. They want to make their money back, make their initial investment back, right? So I'm not pushing every single coin, but if I see a coin that is in the right narrative, being pushed by the right people, follows my principles, low market cap, new to the cycle, in a hot narrative, yeah, I'm going to be talking about those coins, guys, because those are the ones that are actually going to go up the most. Okay, I think that's enough for today, guys. It is Crypto Faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless, guys. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.